Sign into Genie app to control your lights. In order to sign into your Genie app and control your lights, you need to first of all install Genie app onto your device. Make sure to agree to terms and conditions and tap the login button. After which you have to type in your account. So just want to make sure to go ahead and type in your email address. You could also log in using your Google account if you want to. So there you go, you're successfully logged into your account. Now, in order to control the lights, you just want to make sure to go ahead and on your device, in your connected lights will appear on the device. So you could go ahead and select the add device button. Okay, so here you will be able to find the light. Just tap the device icon on once for immediate control as well. Then you just have to long press the light icon to open the full control panel, where you can adjust brightness, color, or set timer as well. And if you already haven't added a light yet, you could tap on the plus button to add it as well. So this is how you will be able to sign into a Genie app to control your lights. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.